So there comes a point in every visual effects artist's life when they need to work with opacity. And opacity is just another word for transparency. That's all it is. Yeah. And the opacity's down here. It's right here. It's in the transform menu of the layer. And it's at the bottom, opacity right there. And that's just transparency. So when it's at 100, you see the effect in its entirety, the full effect. Then the more you drag it down, the more it goes away. Look at that. Up, down, up, down. See? So we want it up. But here's the deal. This is what's up. We don't want it here because there ain't no face. So this is what we're gonna do. I don't know why I put that there. Hold on. We're gonna use the Command or Windows key and use the arrows to establish where the first and last frames are, which are right here. Last frame of the shot, we don't want it. First frame of the shot, we do. First frame of the shot, we do. We go over to this little button, add a remove keyframe, boom. Now we back up a frame to the shot that we do not, and we zero out the opacity, and that automatically adds a keyframe right here. Okay, so now this is the issue. If you notice, everybody right now, look over here. See where I am over here on opacity. Watch the value. Okay, so over here it's at 100 for obvious reasons. Now over here it's at 98. And now it just keeps going down because what it's doing is it is interpolating between the 100 over here and the 0 over here. So it's going to go through every single value until it hits 0. That's not what we want because we do not want any amount of blurring in these shots with no face. So let's go to the shot that we needed at 100, and all we're going to do is we're going to go scoot to the right. Boom. Now we're going to set this to 0. Now it's going to interpolate between 0 and the next keyframe, which is also 0. So that means there's going to be no effect there. And that's all you do.